All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Real Stocks. Been gone pretty much all last week. I was sick. Hey, what's up, Eli? I was sick, man. A man can get sick. Yeah, I was still a little bit feeling eh. But yeah, for 3 days I was just toast. 3 days I was toast, and then I felt pretty back on top of it Saturday, Sunday, yesterday, and today I feel about the same, which is all right. Probably, I guess, man. Shortened my health. You should have. You'd have done well. You would have done well. What the hell am I doing? I'm still a little weird. I don't know. I don't think it's fully gone. I think there's still an insurgency in there, doing something. Okay. What am I trying to do? Okay, now I'm trying to get into my stocks tab. All right. Oh shoot, Richard. Hold on. So I updated Google Chrome and they moved the reopen close tab thing, which is lovely. So Tesla moving up pretty good today. I wonder why. Price target raised by Jeffries, 3 to 400. Market really didn't do a whole lot while I was gone. We've been pretty sideways here, just kind of consolidating. Nice little run up. I'm not sure if even consolidating is the word. We generally have higher lows throughout, so that's pretty good. But we're not like running yet. There's been a little bit of China FUD, nothing too much though. Am I supposed to Einhorn? No, is that a Twitter thing? I can go check that out on Twitter. Let me Musk is. I'll just search for Musk. He's on my feed though. All right, let's go see. They're launching 60 Starlink satellites tomorrow. Wow, seriously? That's crazy. We're gonna have satellite internet here quick. That's pretty cool, man. So versus Einhorn, huh? I haven't seen those. No, I saw the solar glass video. I don't see it on Twitter. What was he saying? Einhorn, Einhorn, Einhorn. So I don't have to pay that much attention. Musk, Einhorn. Short seller Einhorn accepts must offer to tour Tesla facilities. How come I don't see these on his Twitter? Open letters. Yes. I have to check that out. Should be fun. Market, though, like I said, appears to be doing okay. We're fairly stable up here. We had an elevated selling day right there. Looks like Thursday. Twilio's up a little bit. Mostly looks like we're taking a break. Winnebago with a pretty tight flag sitch happening here. That shows extreme lack of selling right there. That's probably to be bought when it breaks out. Goose broke out, went all the way back down to the lows. Kiwi, silver. INMD. Yeah, well, I was gone last week. INMD. We talked about this one. Holding nice and tight there, rallying out, breaking out beautifully, even before earnings, and then earnings with a beautiful gap up. And even the day after earnings, you had an opportunity to get it fairly low if you weren't scared by the move right there. I have kind of noticed that from time to time, it ends up basically having an inside day out of these earnings days, which can be a good buying opportunity. And this being an ICO or IPO, get my terms confused there, and appearing to be pretty good on the weekly chart. There's really no downtrend, just a couple of consolidations. So I don't think buying down here is such a bad thing. Waiting for those pullbacks in some situations. SLV. Some like the older, more mature stocks, though, I'm not sure if that's such a good thing. Just depends how the daily chart reacts. You can catch on the upswing out of those pullbacks. Quartz, sand. So we're still a little bit timid down here in some of our leaders. And that shows in the market going sideways the past week or so. Regeneron followed through on earnings in a nice fashion as well. We noted a nice little pattern here. And then boom, nice gap up on that open right there. I think buying in the 30-minute range, you're not too much in profit on that one, but hey, what's up, Rob? Yeah, I was sick, man. I don't really have a great way to reach out to you guys in the stocks channel. Really, the best thing is just to come up to the Slack chat room. I posted I was sick in Slack, but I'm like, I don't know how to get through to you guys other than doing a quick 5-minute video of me sounding like dead Darth Vader, which is weird. No, yeah. Yeah, we just talked about that, Rob. Like, literally. I think I moved on right when you launched on here. Yeah, so we popped before earnings. I know last time we were talking was down here. You said it dropped out and got wicked out. And I mentioned getting back in, not such a bad thing. Now, holding before earnings, we know is always a gamble. Always a gamble. It went 20% up. It could have gone 20% the other way. But, and we mentioned potentially buying options ahead of earnings, but there was no options to be had. But yeah, this was this seemed like a pretty sure bet on the other side, but it's always tough to recommend to hold through earnings. Yeah, they do have a YouTube chat thing. I looked into that the last time I was sick, and I knew the answer already anyways. So you kind of have to be invited to that, and my stocks channel is just way too small to be invited to that. YouTube doesn't let everybody have access to that chat feature. They're trying to make, what they're trying to do is make Twitter, YouTube, Twitter. They're trying to make YouTube Twitter. That's what they're trying to do, which is fine if you give it access to everyone. But yeah, so my Real Crypto account has it, and I posted on that before, but Real Stocks does not. Yeah, Boo's right. I probably should roll this into Real Crypto and just leave it at that. That's probably what I should do. All right, so let's keep going down for the what's going on here. See what's what. Gold taking on the chin. That shouldn't be putting a lot of wind in the sails of the bears. Oh, Real Page with a nice gap down. Yikes. Bye, Real Page. Seriously, bye. You're gone after that. That is not actionable. ZTS probably gone too. Hopefully our actionable list doesn't get too small. Sand CWCO, not too bad. CRM. Yeah, Rob, if you didn't want to get in that, oh, you almost went into Slack. Okay. So you're already in there. That's cool. NIO working with Intel. See, the problem is they're all going to fail the Tesla. See, here's the problem: is everyone has maybe one or two specialties, but Tesla's got everything. There's about 20 things you have to do to make a good car, let alone a functional, good autonomous car. And Tesla's got all of it, and these guys don't have it. They just don't. So yeah, nice pop. I like it. Pops are good, but I don't know if you necessarily want to be putting money to risk in those scenarios. Yeah, I don't mind looking at the train wrecks, Rob, but it's just not something I want to participate in. Because then what happens is you have these days right here, which are 20% down days. So and if you don't catch that super early, if you're not lucky on the timing there, you're going to be in trouble. Ring's not getting with it. That Winnebago chart's looking very nice. Doesn't look like a majorly orderly flag, unfortunately. I wish we had a little bit more of that. But, I mean, just beautiful run up there for Winnebago on earnings. Could continue with a second pop. Take you back to that 58 level. Intuit, Sandstorm, ESNT, Sherman-Williams. Restoration Hardware. Constellation Brands, you are just not working. Alright, you're gone too. Iffy. Ooh, Twitter. You got to go too. I think Booking.Yaz probably got to go too. Generon Take-Two Interactive still in play, although not encouraging by the reaction on earnings. My lovely phantom trend lines. ATO Annex not looking so hot. Skyworks. This thing has not pulled back yet, has it, Rob? We were talking about that. Earnings 11-12. So tomorrow after market. I mean, there's so many pocket pivots right there. It's insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pocket pivots. 9 pocket pivots. 9 pocket pivots on Starworks since it is this little gap right here. That is a lot of pocket pivots. I'm not sure if I've ever seen that many pocket pivots in a just super small coin or stock. Either or. So I don't know. That's a lot of green though. It's a tough one to get involved with. It's up so much. How's MJ doing? Yeah. AMD sitting up there in highs right off that 200-day moving average. JD, INS. Light's doing okay. Light's above our trend line. 2-year. These are really nice trends. Good earnings play right there. A nice break of this consolidation here could do the body good. Momo and UGAZ, which is not looking healthy. It's like a bit of a weird shaped island top here. All right, let's check out. Let's go to IBD, see what they got on the 50. Maybe we'll add some new stocks to our actionable list since we just killed a few. China unrest sends stocks lower. Five stocks to buy after bullish rebounds. Okay, let's check those out. Walmart's in a buy range. From what? What is in a buy range from? 2, 3, 4, 5. Cup and handle? Oh, there it is. The little cup and handle right there. And okay, so that would be a straight up off the bottom move because that volume was just insane. So that's a straight up off the bottom move. And yeah, that would technically still be within buy range is 5%. This was a prior basin, I think. Yeah, 25%. And then that would have been a valid handle. So this technically would have been a base on base, I'm assuming. Only up 9%, then bases again. I guess that's a base on base pattern. Hard to be super excited about Walmart, though. They have earnings coming up very soon, a couple days. 14th, before market. So that's interesting. Not sure if that's something to be very excited about. Nice gap up on earnings last time. Maybe this time. I don't really have a great earnings strategy. Need to come up with one. Lululemon says it's near buy point. Costco looking pretty good. Looks like it's under the buy point right now. Restoration Hardware. Hold on. Hey, how you doing, Justin? You want to buy Uber? Oh, just Eli can just walk over and kick you in the balls. Be faster. Holy volume. Wow. I mean, I knew Uber was garbage, but to be cut in half within the first year of IPO. This is the problem with IPOs these days. When these big old garbage companies come public, all they're doing is it's their exit strategy. It's an investor's exit strategy. What are we gonna do? Oh, let's pump $5 billion in Uber, make it go public at 50. We'll sell our share, and then we'll make $5 billion. It's just an exit strategy. Doesn't mean Uber's a good company. It's a shit company. It's horrible. If they would just stick to taxi cabs, they'd be fine. But no, they got to go this autonomous driving crap that they suck at. Pisses me off. Thanks, Rob. Later, man. Eli with words of wisdom. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I ain't short it probably. That is a lot of volume though. Look at that one. Maybe someone actually bought some shares right there. That is a huge green candle. Takes a $2, not quite, only $1.50 rise. $1.50 rise right there. 44 million shares traded. That is a lot. That's a really good computer system to trade 44 million shares in 30 minutes. Two, three, four. So there's the 44 million shares. Okay, that first minute was 18,196. Yeah, I guess maybe it's not. But yeah, just to keep that, there's got to be so much action happening. It's pretty good stuff right there. Of course, the back end of my trading application is does a trade in like 30 milliseconds or something like that. So that's not too bad. And theirs is probably way faster than that. All right, let's stop looking at trash. All right, Lululemon. I don't know what this is. Maybe the article will tell us. Maybe they're going to call it an ascending base or something. Gapped out of a flat base, forming another flat base. Shares popped into a buy range. Thank you for the ad, IBD, even though I'm 3/4 way through your article. Now I'm all the way back at the top because you suck. Burlington, base on base pattern. I was actually in Burlington the other day. That place is pretty good. If you guys have Burlingtons, they got some decent stuff in there. All right, so there's a base, rises only 15% bases against. That is a base on base. Yeah, that very valid, Justin. I have nothing negative to say in terms of what you're saying. But like I said earlier, if they would just stick to ride sharing, they'd be fine. They'd be running a profitable business. They'd probably be even better at it. But no, they're stuck on this autonomous driving crap. Now, yeah, I guess originally they were one of the innovators, but now they're just burning capital with, I mean, I don't know what the end game plan is for that. They're just going to buy cars and make them taxis? That seems stupid. I mean, Tesla is just eating everyone's lunch. Like literally, they're, hey, what are you having for lunch? Oh, let me eat that right in front of you. Thanks. Do you like the way I'm eating your lunch? Because I even eat my lunch better than the way that you eat your lunch. The way I'm eating this lunch is spectacular. Oh, you want to see what I do with your lunch after I eat it? Even that's going to be better than you eating your lunch. Because the way you do what you're doing versus the way I do what you're doing is really bad. Or really good. Yeah, Uber everything has been firing a bunch of everything. Any alternative thing they do is bad. That's right, they'll turn around this quarter, Eli, exactly. I should make that would be a good video to make about all the Tesla competitors and just everything that they've destroyed. Like, oh, what are you having for lunch? Oh, ride sharing? Okay, yeah, let me do that. Much better and cheaper and probably actually feasible with autonomous driving included. Oh, which you've been working on autonomous driving for what, 15 years now? Okay, and I've been working on it for 8 years now? Okay. And I have my own hardware and you're still buying everyone else's crap? Oh, okay. To roast specific stocks? Just do my fun roasting videos? I could try that. I don't know, man. I do the live streams every day, so my content like comes out in the live streams and I feel like I'm doing like weird-ish if I make it static content. I know I need to do so much more public stuff though. Get back to the old like real crypto. But at least on the crypto side of stuff, it's man, it's just so. It was easy in 2017, 2018. Well, except for Adam, I don't know. I've been on point with most of the crypto calls. Bitcoin's just been. It's been hard to keep a bullish bias with BTC. And then now here we are, after our nice little pop up yesterday, already back down. I mean, it's not looking good. You know, I wanted to go back to a video I made over here, where I talked about it's just languishing lower under a trend line, and that's exactly what we've been doing, languishing under the trend line. and that could continue for a long time. So anyway, yeah, I should do more stock videos. I do like the Tesla eating everyone's lunch videos though. I think that's really good. Look at Tesla. Just seriously. Seriously, what are you going to do against Tesla? I'm not even sure the short squeezers have the shorts have started to squeeze yet. Maybe this is some, you know. Oh, you're going to print a $1.86 profit? Holy crap, I'm actually gonna exit cuz I never thought you would have a profit again. Chainlink's looking still promising. It's not fantastic. It's not running. We have it alerted at 285 yesterday. Looks like we came back into the trend line right there. But yeah, Chainlink's been one of the more stable coins for a long time now. Whenever the market decides to actually stabilize, we may see another nice run in Chainlink. But I mean, the Power Hour, I gotta say we've done really good with a lot of these coins that have been running. Now it's hard to know which coins are gonna run. Like have the big runs. That's difficult to do. But like we've been on top of Chainlink pretty much every single day since back over here. We waited for all of this to happen, caught it down here, and had a nice run up. And so now we're still sitting in a cup and handle that's starting to get a little long in the tooth, but on the daily chart here. So it's holding up. It's okay though. You can see the cup right there. You can see there's a breakout failure, and then a nice long sideways handle forming. So it's okay. It's fine. If it really breaks a trend though, now see this trend line's coming really close to expiring. So hopefully the best case scenario is it just goes sideways and you move onto sideways trend lines like that, and then you're just looking for those to hold. So your threshold your gauge moves and changes a little bit. But yeah, ideally Chainlink will go up and continue. That's a beautiful move up. Super good. One lately we've been doing really good at with is Atom. Atom is also an interoperability coin. Same with Chainlink, and our last alert was here at 336. It's been chopping around up through here, and then it looks like we're breaking through this trend line. Excellent volume in Atom. Atom's looking super good. I don't think I have nearly enough in this name. Even through the chop, look at that. Atom's still up 3.6%. Heavy volumes. It's doing really good. It's pretty high in the market cap too. I think it's 19 or something like that. Number 17. Hold on a minute. All right, I'm back. So anyway, Atom's looking really good. Chainlink looking promising, although it hasn't had a ability to run yet. Let's go to the global list real quick. Run through some of these. Then I'm going to bounce. Got to start crypto in a bit. Kids are off school today. They'll be back in school tomorrow. INMD. Just looking good. Looking like it wants to go. Manitowoc. Ooh, Lope looks bad. All right.
I mean, like, Logan.
James is very talkative today.
Like Logan come to our house, but not play at our house. Like, he can play at Maddox's house.
James, you can direct people when you're older, but right now, people's parents control their kids, okay?
Yeah.
It's an interesting setup in OTEX.
Yeah.
Tesla just looks super good, able to hold as high as it has. I mean, come on. Come on right there. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. She's just gone all in on Tesla. What was that? James, go check. Oh, okay. Boot slowly moving into new highs there. That looks pretty good. But take two. Garmin. Wow.
Something did fall in the shower.
What is it, James?
This.
Okay, just all right, just keep it in the shower. Massey here looks like it's at an interesting point. Maybe about to break that trend line, maybe for another leg up, similar to this one. Coming here, consolidating around this 200 period moving average after earnings. Pretty good elevated volumes here. Definitely a support day. Very good elevated volume on the way up right there. And our ending candle right there with the most volume. Yes, that's a pretty nice support day. And there's some selling, maybe some eating up shares too. And a low volume sell day right there, lower. Pretty good. Definitely not bad. That's a lot of pickup right there. And that low seems to be, I think we undercut that slightly, but getting above this trend line on Massey I think is pretty good. I'm not sure if we have this on the actionable list. There's that Garmin looking really good. iRobot way down there. Starbucks still suffering. Man, after looking so good, just to completely die is weird. Guess it happens, though. AGO, Monaco. Fortinet. So Fortinet broke through. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, damn, look at that. Look at all that volume. Shit. That's buyable. Just buy it. It's only up 4%. Let's go check some Fortinet stuff.
That's a silly egg. Daddy. I want to do a dragon one. I want to do a dragon one of these.
Oh, a dragon template?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't do it right now, but we can work on it later.
Are you sure you know how to do a dragon template?
I'm sure you don't know how to do a dragon template.
I'm only 5 years old, Daddy.
Just messing with you.
Daddy, this is called the rock.
So this is, I'm not sure if all time Fortinet's never been over $100. I'm not sure if it's had any splits in it or not, but probably has. Still, that $100 milestone, that could be pretty explosive. And that's been kind of flat for a while. You leaving, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye.
Mom,
Have a good day.
I'm making an. I'm making. That's a. That has a hat.
Oh, that is so cute.
And this is rock.
Yeah, this Fortinet looks pretty good.
Lucas. I love you. Yes? Can I have a hug? Huggies?
Yeah, getting out there by June, getting up to 120 by June only puts it at 100% gain.
I love you.
3, though.
I want to make a dragon template. I'm going to make a dragon template.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay.
And you almost have to bet it's going to go there by 320 to make decent money. So that needs to be the path, apparently. Is that reasonable or is that insane? That's fairly reasonable. It's done that in the past. It's made moves like that. The June one seems. Of course you did that. That seems a little bit more likely, though. All right, IBD 96 composite rating, 89 relative strength rating. So just those two alone looks like it's a pretty good candidate. Number 1 is industry group develops unified threat management systems to provide security and networking functions. I know they make gateways and firewalls. I've actually interfaced with them before. 37% EPS change last quarter. Really good. 3 years EPS growth rate, 55%. So slowing down a little bit. 21% sales change last quarter. Still good. 40% ROE, 23% annual pre-tax margin. 16.5 billion market cap. A- accumulation distribution rating. 0% change in funds owning stock. That is interesting. How's the whole sector doing? Industry group rank 177 out of 197. So horrible industry group rank. So let's keep an eye on it. Yeah, Paycom may be trying to make a comeback. Maybe over that resistance point. Maybe. Anyway, I gotta get going, guys. I got 20 minutes before I gotta get ready for the power hour, so I'm gonna eat some food, hopefully, and slap the kids. Nothing from James on that one. I thought I'd get a reaction. All right, everyone, good to be back. See you tomorrow. Have a good day, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye.